The new Char-Griller Charcoal 580 brings you everything you love about classic outdoor cooking, but with better control, even heat, and easy cleanup. Our patented charcoal pan uniquely channels air movement to make it easy to manage cooking temperatures. The targeted airflow creates more efficient burning and less wasted heat. Even better, the innovative design reduces flare-ups. It only takes a few seconds of fire to burn your food. Minimizing flare-ups allows you to cook with confidence. And you can easily adjust the height of the charcoal pan to create your desired cooking temperature. Crank it higher to get that perfect sear on your steak, bring it down low to cook it slower. Multiple dampers provide even more heat and smoke control. The front access door minimizes heat loss when tending the fire. At Char-Griller, we've been innovating outdoor cooking since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. You get a professional temperature gauge to monitor heat. Side and bottom shelves provide storage and workspace. And the removable charcoal pan and convenient pull-out drawer combine for simple cleanups when you're done cooking. New Char-Griller charcoal grills deliver all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next cookout.
The Weber One-Touch Silver Charcoal Grill features 363 square inches of total cooking space, generous enough for turkeys, roasts, and large family gatherings. The One-Touch Charcoal Grill features Weber's tried-and-true porcelain enameled bowl and lid. Baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the finish is actually fused to the steel, preventing rust-through and burn-off for years of use. For ease of handling, the One-Touch has a glass-reinforced nylon lid handle set into the center top of the lid. No rust aluminum dampers provide you the flexibility to manage the heat in your grill. Easy to adjust, you can add more or less oxygen to get your grill to just the right temperature. The One-Touch kettle comes with two large durable all-weather wheels to make the grill easy to move for perfect placement on your patio or deck. For convenience, the rust-resistant aluminum ash catcher lifts out for easy ash disposal and cleaning. The One-Touch cleaning system makes cleanup simple. Made of durable steel, the three-pronged ash sweeper slides easily as you move the lever from side to side, sweeping the ash from the bottom of the grill into the high-capacity ash catcher. Inside the One-Touch charcoal grill is an angled lid hook. Just slide the lid off the bowl and hang it on the hook so it is safely out of the way. The plated steel cooking grate on the One-Touch silver grill provides ample cooking area for roasts, ribs, and other meals. For family-style cookouts, the Weber One-Touch silver 22.5-inch diameter charcoal grill can't be beat. It has the size, durability, and high-quality features necessary in a big charcoal grill.
Sometimes you want the best of both grilling worlds, the cooking efficiency and convenience of gas, and the flavor you get from charcoal. But you might not want or have the space for two grills. Introducing the new Char-Griller Gas-to-Coal Grill, a convenient 2-in-1 3-burner gas grill that converts into an innovative charcoal grill designed to prevent flare-ups and infuse intense flavor into food. The conversion is easy, with no tools required. Simply remove the grates. Place the tray into the grill. Add charcoal, spaced evenly along the tray. And use the push-button electronic igniter to light the 3 burners. With the lid closed, allow the charcoal to heat up for 10 to 15 minutes. Next, lift the lid, switch off the burners, and wait 5 minutes to let the coals turn white hot and then get grilling. It's that fast and easy. You don't even need lighter fluid or a match. Even better, the innovative tray is designed to restrict airflow around the charcoal to minimize flare-ups. This not only keeps the flames at bay, it helps the charcoal burn more efficiently. At Char-Griller, we put the first charcoal grill on the market back in 1948 and have been innovating outdoor cooking ever since. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. Easy to clean porcelain-coated cast iron cooking grates, a lid-mounted temperature gauge, large side shelves, a side burner, 2 wheels to make it easy to move around, and durable construction. The new Char-Griller Gas-to-Coal delivers all the features you need to bring the flavor to your next cookout.